Hello friends, so this is Bliss Life Tarot. Please kindly like, subscribe, share my channel. Please put a comment if you want me to do some other readings. So today I'll be doing all signs quick energy check-in for 24 hours, next 24 hours, that is 29th of October. Please comment below in the comment section if you want me to do any other sign, individual signs, you versus them. So today I'll be doing only your partner's current energy for the next 24 hours, their feelings towards you for the next 24 hours. How are they feeling? How are they trying to move towards you, or any action being taken towards you? So kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. Let's start. Okay, let me shuffle. Shuffle. Now I'm cutting the deck. So first we have Aries. So Aries, we have King, Knight of Wands and Three of Pentacles reversed. So your partner may be a fire sign. They are trying to move towards you. They want to move towards you. But they don't want to have a get-together with you. Or maybe they don't want to interact with you in public. It might be somebody from your workspace who has feelings for you, and they want to move towards you. And actually I could channel 2-3 messages. Scenario 1, maybe there is some person in your workspace who has some sort of feelings for you, but they don't want to reveal to you in a public space, and that is why they want to speak to you in person. That is one scenario. Or maybe it is some past person from your life who doesn't want to interact with your friends, or who has some sort of problem with your friend circle. So that is for Aries. So let's do next Taurus. Current energy, current feeling of your partner for the sign of Taurus. Okay, so there is some heartbreak that your partner is overcoming. Either it is a heartbreak which you caused, or it is a heartbreak from their previous relationship, but they are trying to communicate to you. It may be either your energy or your partner's energy, but I don't know why I'm feeling that it might be your partner's energy, wherein they are overcoming, they are healing their past hurt feeling, broken heart, and they are trying to communicate to you about their feelings towards you, or why they were not opening up to you in the past. They are trying to communicate that to you. Okay, let us do Gemini. Current energy of Gemini. The Tower and Two of Cups. So there is some sudden change which is coming in your partner's life. Maybe it is a breakup from their previous relationship, and they are trying to move towards you and express their feelings to you. Or there might be some sort of ending between you and your partner in the past, or there was a big argument between you and your partner, but now they are trying to reconcile to you. They are trying to come towards you and offer, not offer, but tell their feelings, express their feelings towards you. Let's move on to Cancer. Current feeling of partner of Cancer. Cups reversed and the Empress reversed. Okay, so your partner, sorry, Five of Cups reversed and the Empress. So probably your partner, they're overcoming some sad emotional situation with you, wherein they are looking more towards the bad memories with you or the hurtful memories with you, and not looking towards what both of you can have in this relationship. Like they are focusing more on the negative aspect of your relationship, and that is why they are either thinking that you are not a person who is nurturing by nature, or they don't want to give into this relationship and being nurturing towards you because of the hurt feeling they are having in this relationship. It could be your energy or your partner's energy, but feels more like your partner's energy, that they are avoiding some sort of emotional pain that you might have caused them, and they are not revealing the nurturing nature towards you, or they think that you do not have nurturing nature towards them. Let's move on to Leo. Leo, current energy of Leo. Okay, so we have Ten of Swords reversed and we have Queen of Cups. Okay, so Leo, your partner is overcoming hurt feeling, some sort of hurt feeling from you. It feels like that it is your past person or the current person that you are dealing, and they are overcoming the hurt that you caused them. They are already out of that situation where they thought that they would give up, they don't want to be in this relationship anymore, but they are ready to overcome this hurt feeling by you, and they want to give their love, their emotion towards you. Or it could be possible that because of your love towards them, they are overcoming their past hurtful feelings that you caused them. So there could be multiple scenarios in this, but I feel that this is the hurt feeling caused by you in the past, and because they have a lot of feelings for you, a lot of emotions for you, they are able to overcome the past hurtful action of yours towards them. Let's move on to Virgo. 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 Current feeling of Virgo's partner. Right. So there is Four of Cups and there is Seven of Swords. So this feels more like your partner is trying to sneak out of this relationship, not deal with it, because they expect something from you, some sort of emotional initiation from your end, and since you are not giving them that emotional initiation or the emotional fulfillment that they expect from you, they are just trying to sneak out of the relationship, pretending it to be just crush kind of feeling, or trying to portray that they do not have deeper feelings for you. These cards are not saying that whether they have deep feelings for you or not, but it is saying that because you were not showing your emotions towards them, so they are just trying to sneak out of this relationship. Okay, let's move on to Libra. Current energy of Libra's partner. The High Priestess reversed and the Queen of Swords reversed. Okay, Libra, so it feels like your partner, they are letting their guard down. They are not trying to be mystical with you, but they are seeking some sort of clarity from your end, or they are not giving you any clarity. They are not giving any clarity from their end. They are not giving you any kind of logical clarity from their end regarding where this relationship stands, but instead they are just going to drop their guard down so that they can see your reaction towards them, how you move towards them, just to observe that, to get that kind of clarity. They are dropping their mystical or their guards down to know what kind of feelings you have for them or what kind of thinking you have towards them. They may not come upfront regarding this, but they are trying to be logical in this relationship. Since there is one major arcana and one court card, it may be possible that your partner may be dealing with another person. There could be a third party situation, but it's just a channel message for anyone who needs it. Let's move on to Scorpio. Scorpio, current energy of Scorpio. 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 Alright. That is Wheel of Fortune and Page of Wands. Okay, so Scorpio, your partner feels that there is some unfinished business between you two. It's you both are destined to be together, and they are trying to send you a message regarding their emotions. Not exactly emotions, but what they exactly think about you. So they don't think that it is over. They think that you two are meant to be together, or they think that through some sort of message they can reconcile with you, or they can make the amends that is needed, or they can take the relationship forward with you by sending you a message. It's not going to be exactly an emotional message, rather a logical one, but expect some sort of message from your partner for the next 24 hours. Okay, let's move on to Sagittarius. Current energy of Sagittarius' person, the person Sagittarius is dealing with. Alright. Eight of Swords and Three of Cups. So it feels like Sagittarius, that your partner feels very, very disturbed by the actions that you have taken towards them or not taken towards them. They were expecting something and you didn't do it, and that they think that you are having a happy time with your family, or they are trying to get out of this hurt feeling by having happy time with their family or their friend circle, and trying to avoid this catastrophe between you two. So there is some sort of hurt feeling in their mind, in their heart, but they are trying to either overcome that by being with other people, or they think that, or they are becoming more hurtful by seeing in some sort of form or thinking that you are having a fun time with your family or friends. Okay, let's move on to Capricorn. Person Capricorn is dealing with. Okay, so there is Queen of Pentacles, and there is this Temperance. Okay, so it feels like Capricorn, your partner is trying to focus on their career, bring stability in their life, and through Temperance it feels like Temperance reversed actually. It feels like they're trying to come towards you and logically come towards you and tell you that they have certain things in their mind, but since they are focusing more on their career, they are not coming upfront in front of you. They are just holding back, but eventually they will. Might happen in next 24 hours to 48 hours, but your partner is focusing on their career and trying to hold back their emotions. If at all they come, they will come slowly towards you. Let us move on to Aquarius. Let us move on to Aquarius. The Hangman reverse and Ten of Pentacles reverse. So So it feels like your partner is not able to get some sort of perspective or clarity regarding this relationship. They were trying to have some sort of perspective or clarity regarding this relationship, but they are not getting it. So what they used to feel that this is, end all be all kind of relationship, now they are having second thoughts about it, because the Ten of Pentacles has come reversed. So they are a lot in their mind about this relationship, and they are contemplating about it, because they are not getting any kind of fresh perspective regarding this relationship. Let's move on to Pisces. Current energy of the person Pisces is dealing with. Alright, Ace of Swords and Four of Wands reverse. So Pisces, I think your partner wants to have a fresh communication with you, fresh start with you. The Four of Wands is reversed, so they want to say that the thought they had about higher commitment with you, maybe they have taken a back step about it, and they want to tell this clearly to you that right now they don't want to commit, they don't want to be they don't want to get engaged, or they don't want to get married with you, and they want to tell this clearly to you. Okay, so guys, this was the reading for next 24 hours, all signs read. If you like my channel, please share, subscribe, leave a comment if you want to have a specific kind of reading. If you want an individual reading, what kind of reading you want, please leave a comment below. It will really help my channel to grow. Thank you.